Facebook has removed the featured picture section on your Facebook profile. And I know a lot of us marketers have been using this as prime real estate in which to promote our groups and our offers and things like that. So once again, this just goes to show that you need to be building your email lists. Why do I say that? It's because just one more example of how easily Facebook can affect your business. If you're not building your only real true asset, and that's your email list, you're putting yourself and your business in grave danger. Mark Zuckerberg could at any moment completely shut down your account, your ads, your anything. And not just Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, all of these social media sites you don't actually own. These are great platforms in which to reach your target market and gain leads, but nothing takes the place of the tried and true email list. So if you look here, you'll see it's gone. Where before you were able to put your picture here and promote proudly all of your offers, your Facebook group, and anything like that. Now it's still available at the moment on mobile. On the mobile app, you can still see a featured photo, but I don't know how much longer that's going to last or if it's going to change at all. But this is just a heads up so that you guys know what's going on, so you can update and change your strategies, because I know a lot of you out there are using your Facebook profiles as your business outreach. This may be a push to try and get more people to create groups, which is really where Facebook wants you to kind of conduct business and do your sales. And if you don't already have a Facebook group, you should create one. So really quick, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get updated whenever I upload new content. And if you're looking to start or grow an online affiliate marketing business, you can join my Facebook group. I have the link to it in the descriptions below. Thanks for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in the next video.